Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Wait lang ha. Nakita ko muna yung ating parking space. Good for 2 cars. Nakasilaw. Dito ako po pwesto. Okay, so this is a single detached property. Right? Ayan, malaki yung parking space ha. Good for 2. Kahit ano sakyan, SUV, ganyan. Tara, pasok muna ako. Init. Okay, ito yung setback natin. Kabilaan po yan. Kaya single detached po itong property na to ha. Lot area natin 189 square meter. So 189. Laki. Tara, pasok tayo. So, upon entering, teka lang, isin ko lang ha. Okay, so ito yung ating living area. Living, dining, and kitchen area. Pwesto ako dito sa kabila. So again, lot area natin, 189 square meter. Lot size. Okay. Pakita ko ulit parking space. Yan, malaki yan. So ito yung kitchen area, then ito yung lanay area. Price natin dito 15 million po, pero negotiable naman as per owner ha. Again, 15 million pero negotiable naman yan. So ito yung kitchen area natin. Meron tayo dito nga guest. Depende, guest room, senior, pwede naman, maid's quarter, pwede. And then meron tayo dito, wait lang, hindi ko matandaan kung full toilet and bath po siya, okay? O, hindi na ako lalabas dito sa kabila. Hindi na ako lalabas dyan. Pasensya na kayo. Medyo magulo lang ng konti dyan sa may likuran. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. So, kitchen. Dining area. Okay. Then, doon yung ating living area. O, tara. Aakatin ko yung taas. Akit tayo second floor. So, this second floor, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. Usual na layout. Yung 2 bedrooms, merong common toilet and bath. Ito na yon. Bakit yan? Okay. Then, first bedroom, itong 2 bedrooms nandito. So, first bedroom. Second bedroom natin. Pareho na naman pong enough space. Parehong maganda yung space ng mga bedrooms. Meron tayo ditong balcony. Okay. And yung ating master's bedroom. Master's bedroom natin, may sariling toilet and bath. Okay? So, ito yung master's bedroom. And, may sarili siyang toilet and bath. So, ito yung space ng master's bedroom. Okay? So, yung ibang details, again, 189 square meter lot area. Hindi ko pa kasi masyado nakakausap yung may-ari, medyo busy. Pero sinabi niya sa akin, yung lot area and yung price ng property. 15 million, negotiable naman po. Okay? So, yun lang. Message kayo if interested kayo. Ha? Again, 189 square meter. Malaki to. Okay. This is located in Antipolo pa. Hindi ko yata nabanggit yung location natin. Pasensya na kayo. Okay. This is located in Antipolo. 189 square meter po yung ating lot area. 15 million negotiable. The other details, ipapost ko. Isasama ko sa posting. Okay? Yan. So again, my name is Vin of NCR Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.